Hello. Now through this video we are going to learn how to implement nested if-else in C programming. So to do that, let's write a program to find whether a number is positive or negative using nested if-else. Okay, so we have a main function over here. We need to write all the required codes within this main block. So here we are taking a variable, a number variable, that is an integer x. Then again we have to give a prompt to the user using the printf function, which will ask the user to give a number. So enter a number, right? Then the user will give a number, that is scanf function will execute that %d because x is a number or integer, and it will be stored in the address of x, so that's why use %x. Okay, now you have to check that whether the number is positive or not. Okay, so you have to write if x is greater than 0, then it will be printed on the screen that the number is positive. Fine. But if the number is not greater than 0, then what will happen? There is two chances that either the number is equal to 0 or less than 0. That means it's a negative number. So now for that you have to use this else statement, and under this else statement again I am creating a if else statement. Okay, under this else statement I am creating another if else statement. So that's why this is known as nested if else. If else under another if else. Okay, now let's see. If x equals to 0, if x equals to 0, it should be printed on the screen that the number is 0. The number is 0. But the number is not 0, then it will come to this else part and it will print that the number is a negative number. Fine. See, at first the user will give the number which will be stored in x. Then this if statement will check whether the number given by the user is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater than 0, then this output will come on the screen that the number is positive. But if the number is not greater than 0, then the chance is that either it is equal to 0 or it is less than 0. So for that we have to implement a else statement. Okay, and within that else statement I am again using another if else statement. So that is why we are calling this nested if else under another if else. Okay, so in this way you can implement the things. Now just compile and execute. Before that, save it. I'm giving the name nested if else, and it will be a C source file. Save it. It has started to execute. Okay, I'm giving a number 5. The number is positive. Again I'm running it, and now I'm giving 0. The number is 0. Now I'm giving it minus, suppose 12. The number is a negative number. Okay, So in this way you can implement if else in nested format. Okay, in this way you can implement nested if else. Thank you for watching the video.